Hey guys, hope all are good. So this video I'm going to reveal you my new startup. Okay, so it has been in my mind for a long back, but இப்போதான் அதுக்கு டைம் கிடச்சிருக்கு. So I'll take you through my small, very minimalistic lab setup and the website which I have created, and I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Yes, guys, first let me reveal you the name of the startup. So I'll just show you the website along with it. Okay, so ebasic dot co dot in. So ebasic is the name of my new startup. So what do we do here? So you can learn hardware, electronic circuits. So this is what we are focusing primarily. So anybody who wants to learn electronic circuits designing, like we are the one. So we are planning to like teach electronic from 6th standard onwards. Okay. So anybody interested in designing electronic circuits, you can very well join. So I'll take you through the website. So this is our website, ebasic. So you can easily log into this website by typing www.ebasic.co.in. Okay, so this is our website. So as I scroll down, so you will have our mission and vision, you will have our training method. So you may have a doubt that like how do you teach electronics through online. So it is very simple. We will provide you the kit to your home. You can study electronics from your home practically with those kits. Okay, so we have a download to like check what all the topics we are covering for beginners. Maybe this is in the initial stage. We will be developing like as the days to come. So ebasiclearning@gmail.com. You can very well send your queries to ebasiclearning@gmail.com. Okay, so now I told you that this is an electronic like a startup, electronic startup in the sense startup which is primarily involved in teaching electronic circuits. Okay, so I'll just show you a minimalistic lab setup, like where we are involving in doing some R&D kind of things to analyze the circuits, and I'll show you. And for people who are interested in like setting up labs like this, you can very well like do it similar to this, because the cost of electronics is not that high. Okay, so you have an extension box. Of course you need a laptop, and you can have a batteries like this, 9 volt batteries, and different adapters for different source, power source, because some circuits might require 5 volt 1 amp, some circuit might require 5 volt 0.5 amps 2 amps, or different. So you can have different adapters, and multimeter, you need a multimeter, and you need some resistance values. So all these are resistors, uh, and then uh, like a soldering iron, and some basic components like like potentiometers, LEDs, capacitors, diodes, this is a bridge rectifier, switches, and all those things to learn the basics, and a glue gun. Okay, and a magnifier, sometimes like you cannot see the names of ICs with your eyes, so you need a magnifier, and a soldering lead. Breadboard, of course you need a breadboard to connect the circuits, and some like wherever you see some electronic boards, small boards, you can dismantle it to understand the circuit inside it, and a stripper to cut the wires and different kind of wires. And here I'm having Arduino boards. Okay, you can have some boards, like in future, Raspberry, and you have some sensors also. See, we are having a PIR sensor. You can have it. You can have different sensors. See, this is a smoke sensor. To understand about different sensors, this is a PIR sensors. So, and some connecting wires to connect all the components in the circuits. And of course, I would suggest you to have this book also, Electronics for You. So this book you can have it to like understand circuits and what is happening in this electronics world. Okay, and then some relays, servos, like 7 segment displays and all these kinds. So all basic components. So overall this is my small lab setup, okay, where I try to like do some R&D works. So anybody can set up this kind of lab in your home itself. Of course this is my home, like further to take it to develop the company. Okay, so anybody can start your own company, and anybody can start your own lab. Yes, as I already told you, we are primarily focusing on like training students, students in the sense anybody from above 6th standard. Okay, uh, we are giving like specific training for in electronic circuits designing and programming also. So anybody who is interested in designing circuits and in electronics, anybody is fascinated about electronics, you can send us a query in the email ID which I showed you.